Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a whole bunch of Knowledge Crate stuff. I'm very excited about this. As you can see, it's in this humongous box. So some of it I'm going to open beforehand so you can see it. But I'm just excited to get into it with you. It's been sitting in this room for a while. So if you enjoy this type of content and other homeschool and lifestyle content, please remember to subscribe and let's get into this box. Okay, so I'm gonna set this down, or drop it. We're gonna set it down on the floor right here. And I'm gonna tell you just a little bit about this first of all. So in my kindergarten do-over video, which I'll link down below, that just went out a couple weeks ago it was the last time I really filmed anything before Christmas and the last time anything went up before Christmas or right after Christmas. And so I mentioned sensory bins in that video, and that the Knowledge Crate was one of those things that I really liked. That was one that I recommended for kindergartners. Even for older kids, they have a variety of things per age group. And as I was preparing for that video, I went to their website. I was like, oh, this looks cool and this looks cool. And stuff is a little bit pricier, but we belong to a charter, which is why I was willing to buy this stuff. Otherwise, I would have used a little bit more discretion in what I was buying and maybe only bought a few things or maybe nothing at all. I'm not really sure. It just kind of depends on your needs, your budget, all that kind of stuff. But I wanted to have a few sensory bins, especially going into the new year for some of my younger kids, especially my first grader. When she's all done with her schoolwork, she's usually done way before my other kids. Then she can have something else to do. Some of these might even work for my toddler, depending on how big of a mess I want him to make. We'll see, because I can't even really remember for sure what I got completely. And there's only one thing that I know for sure I got, and the rest of it I don't really remember. And so I'm gonna unwrap a few things, because I know some of the things it's really well wrapped, which is good. And then I'm going to show everything to you. And so then if you are interested, at least you know what you're getting into, what you're paying your money for, and all that kind of stuff. So let me open these things and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and surrounded by stuff. So the first one I wanted to show were these busy bins. When I first started getting Knowledge Crate stuff, this wasn't something that was available. And we haven't got Knowledge Crate in a while. The basic box comes quarterly, and it's for preschool or school age children. There's two different options. And that's basically what was available a few years ago when I first was introduced to this. But since then, they have way more things, and I really love it. So these are the busy boxes. They come in these Sterilite bins. And this one we've used already. This was Christmas. We did not have it pulled out before Christmas because I kept forgetting about it. But we pulled it out after, and my kids really loved it. This one will be harder for me to share. I did take some B-roll of my kids playing with it, just because they've already played with it. But this one came with the different colored rice it's the red and green, but then had a whole bunch of different toys. One of my favorite is that it has this little magnetic wand, and it came with these bells, and you can bury them, and then you go over the top and they just pop up, and it's super fun. I bet my toddler would think it was hilarious after, he'd probably make a mess with the rice. And there was these little boxes, right? There's all these little presents and stuff that had little toys in them to play with, and just a lot of really cool things. So that was the first one that we had opened up. And then the next two, which again, I couldn't remember what they were until just now, was on, so this one's space. I got a few things about space. And so we like space, especially one of my kids. He really has been enjoying space here. So this again is what it looks like. It's very well packaged too when it comes. So this has some glow in the dark things. This one, whoa, what is this? It looks like fluffy stuff, like shredded paper almost. I don't know, pluffle. What's pluffle? I don't know. I've never heard of that before, but there's a blue one and a black one, and some different things in here. Again, a star that they can play with. There's some different space shapes they can play with, and some containers they can put things in. So there's a lot of really cool things in these. And then the other one that I had gotten was woodland creatures, or something to do with just woodland is what it says. So this is this one. And instead of rice, whoa, this bag is open. Don't do that. Instead of rice or anything like that, this one comes with like beans, lentils, maybe corn. I don't know. There's a whole bunch of different things, like a variety of things in here. And so you just open the bags. That's how the rice came, was in these bags. And then you put it in the bin, you know, and they can play with it. Again, lots of containers. There's some other toys, beads they can play with. There's a lot of really cool things in here for them to play with for these either sensory bins, busy bins, whatever you want to call them. But some of these, I think there was some too that had a little bit more kinetic sand or even more Play-Doh type stuff. So if you wanted something maybe a little bit more toddler friendly, that would probably be more toddler friendly. But these are the ones that I got. Okay, so the next thing that I wanted to show you that was, again, new. Sorry if my baby's crying, she's waiting to be fed. My husband's making her a bottle right now. But are these busy buckets. This is new, I didn't know about these. But again, these ones might be a little bit more toddler friendly. They look like they have Play-Doh and some of the like little foam sticky ball thing. I'm really good with words and knowing what names of things are. I'm not. But this one is ocean, this one's on the go transportation, and this one is garden bugs. And so again, the point is, it's a little bucket. If you need to take it someplace, like in, you know, they wouldn't be playing with it in the car, but if you need to take it someplace for them to be able to play with it, then it's easy to do that. And when you open it, it just has a bunch of stuff. Like this one looks like it has some Play-Doh in it and like some cute little tweezer things, a little rolling pin, you know, so there's a lot of really fun little things within this bin. And these ones were much cheaper. Again, if you just want something easy and fun, even to just have around your house, like pull it out, take it to another spot in your house where you guys are doing schoolwork or something and give it to a little kid, I feel like this is a really great option. I already love it so much. Okay, and then I have like one of the main crates to show you that I was introduced to, and this is a quarterly crate. And usually it reflects the seasons, not always, because this one said the theme was space, at least for the school age kids, not for the preschoolers, which is why I got it. And if you like this, subscribe. These lines. They come from my blinds. It's wintertime, the sun is different. It's just the way it goes. So anyway, I love them. It's part of my clothing. It's, you know, I have such good fashion sense. That's why I have all these dots on me. But this one, I think it's basically like 1st grade to 6th grade, you know, and then you have the preschool one that could include kindergarten. This one could too, depending kind of where your kindergartner would be. But it comes in this huge crate, and usually everything is in this crate. This is the first time I have had so many things not in this crate. And so I'm excited about that. I'll have to show you all the extra things. They must just not have fit in this box. So you open it, you know, it has all these different, has a really good packaging right here. So it has an activity guide on the top. So you can go through and it will tell you all the things. And this is great because it includes math and language arts and some science things. So you can use it for all of those type of subjects if you just want to not do book work for the day, or you want to just reinforce maybe some of the things you're already doing. If you have a like unit on the solar system or something like that, this would be great. So it'll go through here, it'll tell you all the different things, give you all the instructions. And then in here, I'm not gonna take it out. There's so much stuff. It looks like there's a roll of toilet paper. They must have known that we needed toilet paper. We don't really, but we will eventually. But there's like sensory rice in here. There's stuff for paintings. They give you this paper and it tells you what it's for, Saturn art on here. And then this is a planet art one. And there's some chalk pastels. There's so many things in here. And like I said, this is the first time that I've had so many things also like not in the box. And so let me show you. They must, you know, obviously they'll tell me what all the activities are for in the book, but there's this gold and silver slime kit that came with it. So again, it's probably something with space. And then there's the solar system right here. I'm not sure what we're doing with these. Maybe this is part of the sensory bin type of activity. But then it also came with this like solar system model making kit. Like what? Like I'm really impressed right now with everything that's in here because this hasn't ever happened to me before. So this is really cool. Oh, I guess it's like a mobile type thing. I don't like that word, but. And then it also came with glow crystals. So I'm like, what is going on? Like, this is really cool. And then they always send a bunch of books as well for kind of the age range reading levels that you'd get there. So there's several in here, and there's some Mad Libs as well. So this is about constellations. That's a solar system book, right? And this is Space Heroes, and then Space, and it will give you some things that you can do with these books to utilize them more as you talk about space. So I'm really excited about this. My son is gonna be so excited about this because he loves space. He already got so many space things for Christmas. And so I'm just excited with all the things that it came with. So that is like their main quarterly kit, if you were wondering kind of what it looked like. All right, I hope you enjoyed this Knowledge Crate unboxing, all the different things that I got, maybe give you some different ideas that you can utilize in your homeschool. If you have sensory bins that you like, resources, or maybe ones that you just like to make yourself, leave it down below in the comments so you can help me out and you can help everyone else out that's watching this video. And remember to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.